Hello everyone, Cassandra Good coming to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And today, ladies and gentlemen, I want to talk to you about the question that I get every single day, multiple times a day. And that is, Cassandra, how do I make money fast? How do I make money fast? Now, I'm gonna tell you my answer back in the day when I first was getting this question was totally different. It was totally different. So I'm not even gonna give you that spill on that. But what I will tell you is this: when people say I'm in an urgent need to make money, now how do I make some money real fast, Cassandra? Please tell me. I can only tell you the truth, ladies and gentlemen. And so to answer this question, you need to know that the ways to make money, to me, in my mind, ideologically, and also the way that I've been doing it, is three different ways. First of all, you have to use the idea to make money. Okay, so if you got an idea to make some money, knock yourself out. Okay, use money to make money. A lot of people say, hey, you have to have money to make money. And then the other one is to use time. Use time to make money. And that's what most of everybody starts off with. Remember that good old job that we went to? We started off, we exchanged our time for money. Okay? So you might be asking yourself, well, Cassandra, which one do we use to make the money fast? And I'm going to say this, and you might not agree with me, but I'm going to be honest with you, because everybody's in different situations. Actually, any one of them. Any one of them. And the reason why I say that is because it all depends on what resources you have at the time. Now, if you need money fast, you can create a quick product. You can bundle an offer together, which is an idea. And I kid you not, I've done it several times and I sell it. Okay, and as long as it's power packed with value and the content is really going to help solve a person's pain, I assure you, you will make money on it. But I don't know how to create a product to a sense where all that technical stuff. I don't get deep off into that. I'm still old school with a lot of things, but I do know how to create websites. I do know how to do designs for logos. So that's as much as I'm going to do on that. But don't ask me to program anything. Don't ask me to do any of that. Okay? And so here's the thing. Most people don't want to know how to sell. They really don't. They just give me a product, let me sell it. Okay, but there is a dynamic to that. Okay? So let's just say this. If you don't have money to make money, you can always borrow it. We always tell people all the time about OPM. Other people's money. And when you're using other people's money, guess what? You borrow that, you can trade money in for stocks. You can trade in for options. And you might say, what? What if I lost the money? And a lot of people say that. A lot of people say, well, I'm getting ready to lose money. And you're telling me something that's foreign. Okay, that's a fair concern, and I understand that. Then what are you left with? The last way to make money is to use time to make money, right? So you can find a framework of work that you are passionate about. I say passionate because if you're not passionate about it, ladies and gentlemen, you're not going to do anything with it. I kid you not. I see people join businesses. They join one and then they lose the excitement. Mind you, I'm saying excitement, not passion. There's a difference. Trust me when I tell you. So we just want to make sure that you'll be able to make money. So then you're left with that way of using time to make money. You can do freelance work if you want to. There are a lot of freelance jobs out here. I kid you not. I used to do article writing years ago for journals, for e-zines. That's when we first started, when we were actually programming computers to do certain things. We didn't have the language of Java like we do now. And you see, there's many ways to make money fast. And I'm telling you now, I've categorized them into three different ways. But to deploy them, I kid you not, you need some kind of skill and or knowledge. You got to. Because without skill or knowledge, you will find yourself having limited options in each one of the three ways that I just shared with you. So before we are forced into a situation to make some fast money, please do yourself a favor. Build up your skills and your knowledge. And a lot of people fall short to that. They don't really want to learn more so they can earn more. Listen to what I'm saying. Learn more to earn more. You have to realize technology is moving at a fast rate. Not saying you have to take all of them. You don't have to learn all the skill sets, ladies and gentlemen, but just learn one or two that are following the trend. And I assure you, you will earn more when you learn more. Okay? I kid you not, the more skills and knowledge you have, the more options you will have when it comes to making money fast. Now, you might say to yourself, well, Cassandra, I want to make it real super fast. Well, what I'll say to you is learn a skill set about marketing. And it could be many different skill sets for marketing. You can learn how to do Facebook. You can learn how to do Instagram. You can learn how to do Pinterest. You can, whatever you have a passion for in any one of those social media platforms, and then apply it to a business like Livegood. And why am I saying that? Because once you apply marketing that you're mastering to a product-driven company, you're going to win. Because you're constantly, like, think of it like as a movie, you're constantly showing. You're putting Livegood in front of thousands, if not millions of people. Now, a lot of people think, Livegood is slowing down. No, it's not. It's speeding up. You know why? Because people are seeing the vision. People are understanding the mission. So I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, do not get discouraged. Understand what we have here. Know what we're doing here. Remember, three. Use the idea to make money. Use money to make money. Or use time to make money. And if you're lacking the money, trust me, our team has different resources and tools that will help you utilize your time wisely to build your Livegood business. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for allowing me to grace your living space once again by coming onto this YouTube channel, and then definitely listening to what I have to say and sharing with you that we have the tools and resources for you to make money as fast as possible. And that's all dependent on you rolling up your sleeve, mastering a skill set of advertising, and putting that advertising in front of Livegood, putting as many eyeballs as you possibly can in front of Livegood, and I assure you the success will follow. So if you've been still sitting on the fence, you haven't figured out whether or not Livegood is a great opportunity for you, I'm here to tell you 2023 is blowing up with Livegood. Click the link below. We'd love to have you on our team. If this is your first time coming to any one of my videos, please go ahead and hit that subscriber button, because I will be uploading these videos and you're going to see every single day. I'm going to give you a little tidbit on how you can place yourself for today for making income that you'll be very proud of for years to come. Also, so that you don't miss a video, go ahead and hit that notification bell, because I don't want you to miss one iota of any videos that I'm sharing with you all. I want to thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for coming to my channel. I want to thank you for your subscribership, and those that have joined my team, and we're working together with the tools and resources, and you're building. And congratulations to several people making bronze on my team. I am so proud of you all. Continue to do great work, and congratulations once again. Thank you so much. God bless, and I'll see you soon.